What you're looking at is a stunning Gaussian splatting scene, which is captured using the Antigravity A1 drone and processed using MipMap software. And the best part? With native 360 camera support in MipMap 3D reconstruction software, creating Gaussian splats using a panoramic drone is now as easy as using a standard drone. The processing workflow in this video also applies when using Insta360 and DJI Osmo 360 cameras. Usually, to get a good Gaussian splatting result, a standard drone has to capture images from different directions. This makes data collection incredibly slow and significantly increases your training time. But for a 360 panoramic drone, with fisheye lenses offering over 180 degrees of field of view, just the bottom lens alone captures all the angles you need, massively boosting your efficiency. However, most Gaussian splatting software out there can't handle raw panoramic drone data. You usually have to chop it up and pre-process it across multiple programs, which is a huge error-prone headache. With MipMap 3.0, we've added native support for 360 panoramic videos. You can directly import raw data from Insta360 or Osmo360 and the Antigravity A1 for one-click reconstruction. Let's take a look at how simple this workflow really is. If you haven't installed MipMap yet, click the video link in the top right corner to check out our complete quick start guide. First, create a new task in MipMap and click Import Video. Select your video straight from the drone's SD card. No third-party prep required. Next, set your frame extraction interval. For Gaussian splatting, you want an 80 to 90% overlap between adjacent frames. But remember, too many photos will significantly increase your reconstruction time. You can check the overlap rate after extraction and adjust the interval if needed. Here's a quick pro tip for the Antigravity A1. Since the top lens mostly just films the sky, it doesn't help our scene and can actually cause floaters and increase processing time. We can just go ahead and delete that camera view entirely. If you have multiple videos of the same scene, simply import them and repeat these steps. Once your data is loaded, click the camera settings icon. MipMap comes preloaded with parameters for Insta and DJI cameras. For the Antigravity A1, simply select the Insta-X5 8K camera profile and repeat for all cameras. Finally, select Ultra High Precision and turn the Gaussian splatting toggle on. To save processing time, turn off the mesh and point cloud outputs if you don't need them. Hit Start Reconstruction. After the process finish, your realistic Gaussian splatting scene is ready. You can use your keyboard and mouse to explore the fully reconstructed environment in smooth first-person view. Try MipMap 3.0 today and streamline your 360 drone workflow. Thanks for watching.